As a co-founder of Ahau, Alea Hotels, and Raw Love Restaurant, I'm proud and excited to announce our Vortex Retreat Center. In the sacred spaces of Cenote Chel, inspired by the mystical beauty of Tulum, we are aiming to bridge the gap between luxury high-end beach venues and the deep, lush jungle to offer all retreat leaders a possibility to bring their gifts to this magical location at a much more accessible price. Vortex Retreat Center is all-encompassing transformational experience that fosters the mind, body, and spirit, and healing and community living in harmony with nature. Our community is dedicated to help people create the life of their dreams. Together, we explore our potential through nature, education, sustainability, and conscious events. We go beyond the norm to explore deeper possibilities and work towards realization of a more joyful, happy, compassionate lifestyle for everyone involved and our society as a whole. Dive into the magic of Tulum and allow us to assist you in your journey. When you choose to co-create with us, you'll have access to a magical paradise with sustainable built huts, yoga shala, where you can hold your workshops, movement classes, and ceremonies, a large kitchen, dining space for your participants to enjoy, an eco-dome sauna, and an access to a private cenote in the heart of it all. We can help you arrange your visit to the ruins, swimming in underground cenotes, sharing in a sunset of gratitude circle, and reawaken in a volcanic sauna, as well as giving you an option to choose from our facilitators offering sound healings, private and group therapies, and more. The veil seems to be thinner in Tulum, and the quickening often occurs. The Mayans knew it, and so do we. This is the time to reconnect with your source of life.